Hi, this is a short video on using the tune-up balls or the therapy balls or some little kind of ball under the quads to help release tightness and tension, and just to help free up the hip and the knee and the pelvis. So you're going to need to find a bit of space on the floor, and then one or two balls. You can use two at the same time. It depends on how much tightness you're feeling in the quad. You might want to just do one at a time. But what you're going to do is place the two balls somewhere between the knee and the hip. So it can be anywhere. If you're having issues with the knee, this is really nice to do to support the knee. So we're not right on the knee. You'd be up onto the thigh. So wherever you want to place the balls is perfectly fine. So you could do this and then repeat. So the sequence that we're going to do, have the balls lower, you can move them up by a ball width, repeat the sequence again, you can move them up to the hip flexor, to the top part of the thigh, and repeat that whole sequence again if you want. Even if you only have time to do one set per side, it's going to help anyway. So just feel what you have or see what you have available. Okay, so you're going to have the balls mid-thigh. You're going to come onto the balls wherever you decide to keep them, and you're just going to try to rest your legs out onto the floor. And then upper body, you could be up on your elbows or you could be down onto your belly if you wanted. And you're just going to do 5 to 10 breaths here. What I want you to do is just let this whole leg be heavy, okay? So you're not holding it up, you're not kind of doing anything with that. You're letting the foot kind of relax as best as you can. Just let the foot and the leg go. So that might mean that the leg externally rotates so that you feel it kind of flop outward and the balls come a little bit more into the inner leg line. That's fine. So you're just going to breathe here. And I want you to focus on your breath. Try not to let your mind wander. And then after you've done about 10 breaths, what you're going to do, you're going to let your left leg relax. Exhale to slowly bend the right knee to bring the heel towards your bum. Exhale, leg goes down. And then repeat that maybe 5, 6 times, whatever is comfortable for you. And go slowly. So it's not a quick movement. It's helping the fascia to release throughout this whole area. As the fascia releases here, it's going to travel. The release is going to travel up and down. And again, you're not trying to lift the leg up. You're just letting the thigh be heavy and bend the knee. Breathe. Keep your breath flowing. One more, however many feels okay for you to do. Then you're going to let that go. Take the balls away. And just rest there for a moment and notice how that feels. Notice what you feel, right leg to left leg. You might feel that whole leg is kind of longer or flatter. You might feel crooked. Your pelvis might be kind of more dropped forward on the right side. There's many things that you might notice. So just check in and see how that feels. That's a really nice movement to do, especially if you sit a lot as well. That will help just keep your thighs soft and everything kind of working together. So enjoy that and let me know if you have any questions.